In this video, we will take a look at what I've noticed to be the biggest problem when covering stair stringers with deck tape and other exterior stair building projects. And that's the fact that they somehow cut it into 1.5" strips or buy 1.5" wide deck tape and use it for 1.5" wide stair stringers. And what happens with this is that the water can actually enter into the area underneath the deck tape and on top of the stair stringer. So to fix this, all we need to do is simply use larger pieces that will fold over the sides. So for example, a 2-inch piece of deck tape is probably going to work better for an 1.5" wide piece of lumber. And in this example here, I'm just providing you with what it would look like on one side of the stair stringer. You're going to need to have it go over both sides. And it wouldn't be a bad idea to also go over the front of the stair stringer. And even though this won't prevent water from absorbing into the side of the stair stringers, by folding it over, it will allow for the water to stay away from the top of the stair stringers. Next up, let's go ahead and put some caulking at the back. We've covered the sides and the front, but we could still have water absorbing in from the back here. So maybe some caulking, some type of a sealant might work. You can put the sealant on and then put the tape on, or put the tape on and then put the sealant on, whatever you think is going to work best for your project. You don't want to seal the entire top of the stair stringer and then allow water to seep in from the back here, especially if your goal is to keep as much water off of the top horizontal sections of the stair stringers as possible. And last on our list, besides covering the entire stair stringer, would be to cover the risers with your deck tape. Just keep in mind that water leaking down will be able to get behind these areas. It won't be as easy to keep the water out of the vertical sections as it will be to keep it out of the horizontal sections. And I know some of you are going to suggest using treated lumber. Go for it if that's going to work better for you. And don't forget that you can paint or use other wood sealers to prolong the life of your stair stringers also.